Hi, today I'm going to show you how to check the estimated ink levels on an Epson WorkForce Pro WF-4725. Now, if you're not already on the main screen of the printer, you can press the home button here just to zip back to where I am now. Otherwise, we scroll along, we go past maintenance where it is on a lot of these machines, and it's in settings instead. Now it's listed here under supply status, we pop into that, and here you get a breakdown of the 4 different inks, how much ink it thinks is remaining in there, and even the remaining capacity of the maintenance box. From here you can replace the ink cartridges directly or even do a status sheet, but I'm not going to bother with any of that today. But yeah, I hope you found that useful. If you have, please do let us know with a like. Otherwise, please let us have a comment below letting us know what else you'd like to know. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.